Why is Surfshark doing this? Should you still use the login with code feature after this update? Let's discuss. If you want to get your VPN holiday shopping done early this season, check out the first link down in the description. There you'll find a coupon called SharkTube, which will give you 2 extra months when buying Surfshark VPN. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Before we start, I just wanted to say that over the past year, Surfshark Academy subscriber numbers have been steadily growing. Me and the team have been absolutely humbled by that. And going into this holiday season, the only gift that I really want is to get Surfshark Academy to 10,000 subscribers. So if you like these videos and if you want to see more, it would mean a lot to me if you could hit subscribe. Let's now talk about today's topic, the various different ways to log in to the Surfshark app. So here I am on the Android app and I see 2 main ways of logging in. First is just a simple way of entering your username and password. Nothing special, but if you had a long username or a really complicated password, then it might take you a little while to log in. And I mean, if you watch this channel, you know how I preach every video about using a good password with various symbols, lowercase, uppercase letters, etc. And typing all that into the app, especially on a phone, is time consuming. Or I mean, forget about phones. Imagine using a TV remote to type in a complex password. Well, the Surfshark devs did think about this, and their solution was a unique feature called Login with Code. The way it works is that you select it here and it will ask you, are you logged in to Surfshark on any other device? If you answer yes, it will spit out a code here at the bottom, which you can enter on a device that is already logged into Surfshark. So instead of having to enter a long username and password, you only have to enter a short code. This works especially well if you use the Surfshark app on a TV. But quite honestly, when it comes to using this login method on a computer or a phone, I found myself not using it as much. I just found it a bit cumbersome having to, pull out my phone every time or my laptop, when I want to log in. Obviously, if you have 2FA enabled, you may have to do that anyway to enter that code, but I've also seen lots of comments of Surfshark users being confused about it. Like, where do I enter this code? What if I'm not logged into Surfshark on any of my devices? Well, Surfshark listened to the feedback and added yet another alternative to the mix: login with Google or Apple account. Let me quickly switch to the updated app so that I could show you how it works. Okay, I've updated my app and the login screen looks way sleeker now. It says Surfshark now has 3,200 servers in 100 countries, and we actually made a video about that, which you can check in the description just below that like button. And now if I click on login right here, I have options to log in with Google or Apple. So for this feature to work, your registered Surfshark account email has to match your Google or your Apple email. If your current email is different and you still want to use this feature, you can change your Surfshark email address. I'll leave another link in the description on how you can do that if you're interested. So let's try logging in with Google. It now gives me a list of my Google accounts. I'll just pick this one. And I have 2-factor authentication enabled, so let me enter that as well. And I am in. I have to say, this is a very, very easy and convenient way to log in. It's literally 1 click and you're in. Well, 1 click if you don't have 2FA enabled. And everything seems to work fine and well, but I had one concern when I was testing this feature for the first time. And that is the fact that Google is no stranger to data collection. So in my mind, I was thinking, why is Surfshark doing this? Isn't this a privacy risk? Well, I inquired the Surfshark dev team about it, and here's what they said. In regards to data collection concerns, this feature was implemented in such a way to not allow Google or Apple to collect anything about your behavior in the Surfshark app. These services are only used for authorization to determine if the user who's logging in is actually you. Okay, but there was another question that was bothering me. I was wondering, what if I lose my Google or Apple account? Is my Surfshark account at risk then? The answer to that question is unfortunately yes. Each application or website which uses external authorization with Google, Apple, or other has this issue. But the devs did say that if you do lose your Google account, you can still get your Surfshark account back by contacting customer support. And also, it's highly recommended that if you are planning to use this way of logging in, that you also have 2-factor authentication on those accounts. But overall, what do I think of this update? Honestly, I feel like this will make the process of logging in a lot smoother for a lot of people. It's not something that you do very often, but It's a small quality of life update, and these updates really add up. And it's also now a good time to bring up a new segment to our videos, Community Poll of the Week. As you may know, we run various polls related to cybersec and tech daily on our channel, and today I wanted to show you this poll asking you whether Surfshark is simple to use. 80% of you said yes, it's simple, and less than 20% said no. With this poll, I really wanted to gauge just how you guys feel about Surfshark in general, because I think that Surfshark is really striving for that simplicity aspect, and it seems to do a really good job at that. Again, that philosophy of it's just one click and you're secure. But you can tell me what you think about that in the comments below. But that'll be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get these videos as soon as they come out. And if you want to know more about the other Surfshark update that will 100% surprise you, then click on one of these videos here. But that's all from me. Take care.